guys on Facebook. This is Jennifer, and today I'm just gonna do a quick takedown of these loc knots. If you guys want to see how I did these, look on my YouTube channel under Looking Natural, and you will see how I did these. But I'm about to take them down. As you see right now, I'm just undoing them. Do them all. I have about 100. I have exactly 100. I shouldn't say about. Should be definitive, shouldn't I? I have 100 of these in my head, so it's gonna take it a minute, but I'm gonna go through them. They should come out pretty easily, and then I'm going to also show you how you can style them. Some of them are more curlier than others. They shouldn't be. See, they're really easy. I don't use any pins to get them in. Excuse me, I'm a little congested today. I've had these in for about a week, you guys, so typically I don't leave styles in for that long, but I got so many compliments with these loc knots that I thought I'd extend their life a little bit. And these loc knots are different than bantu knots, so in a minute I'll show you the difference. But it's the same principle, but they're a little bit differently shaped in how you put them in your hair. Like I said, I'm going to for all you guys who are on my channel, on this channel, feel free to join my YouTube channel called The Looking Natural. And I know I should have named it Kalani Publishing too, but I just thought The Looking Natural would be more appropriate. And I'm also should put this in my group, my Facebook group as well. Okay, so to style it, I'm just gonna try to move the hair like in a parting. Let's see if I can.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love. Yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around and show you how the back is looking.
Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
This is the key for all styles, like a twist out if you're natural, a braid out. It's not to just dry it. A lot of people out here, oh, I dry it in the dryer and I want to take it out the next day. No, I think you get a better, more authentic curl when you leave them in for a while, at least a week. If I could have gone 2 weeks with this, I would have gone 2 weeks and left it in. And then, you know, as you're spritzing it every day with your water, you're really getting that curl in there really good. And so that way you can take it out. But yeah, I decided to take this out today. Why not? It's been in there for a week. And just kind of direct the curls to how you want them to go. If they're not the way you want it. I'm looking in my mirror so you can see. Okay, I think this is pretty much it. It looks a little different on camera, but in life, but this is it pretty much. How you can take those out. Look, there's one more. Might be still finding a few around my head, but that's pretty much it, you guys, how I did that. You could fluff it up. Now, curled out like this, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Maybe a few days at the most, especially if I like, you know, kind of zhuzh it up and fluff it up. But there you have it. That is it. Until next time. And like I said, if you want to see my video on how I did the lock knots, go to my Wiki Natural on YouTube, and you can see how I did it. Okay. See you soon.